Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is a cleaning motivation. If you are new here, I do decorating as well, so please subscribe if you're not already. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We do have a sponsor. It is called a Jigoo vacuum, and you will see that here in a little bit.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Gonna be sweet there.
Before we get too far into today's video, I want to show you the Jigoo 300. It is a mattress vacuum, but I used it on the couch today and also on the carpet, and it did an insane job. So you know, the couch is basically heart of the home. It's where you watch movies, eat snacks, take naps, and in my case, where our Great Pyrenees has claimed full ownership. She's sweet, fluffy, she's huge, and she sheds every single day like it's her full-time job. I vacuum constantly, but no matter how much I've cleaned, I can never get that deep, fresh feeling back on the couch. And so this thing has literally saved my life. If you've ever had a big dog, you know it's not just fur, it's dander, dust, and all the little things that settle deep inside the fabric. So Jigoo reached out to me and I was like, absolutely yes. But it's the J300 mattress vacuum cleaner. And even though it's technically meant for mattresses, you can use them on different surfaces. But this literally turned out to be the best thing I've ever used on the couch. First time I used it, I was honestly not really prepared for what it was going to pull out, especially since the couch is brand new. But this thing has serious power, like industrial grade suction in such a small, easy to hold cleaner. It's got a rolling brush that actually beats the fabric while it vacuums, so it loosens up all the pet hair and dust trapped underneath the surface. And it's not just a vacuum, it also has a UV light, heat, and ultrasonic technology working together. The UV light helps sanitize everything. The heat dries and kills off anything that might be hiding in the fibers. In those ultrasonic waves, they disrupt dust mites and allergens so they don't stand a chance. After just a few passes, I looked inside the dust cup and I couldn't believe what I saw. It was really gross. The fur, fine dust, dander, it was all in there. And it was one of those moments where you're both disgusted and weirdly proud because you know your couch is finally clean. Now I use it not only every week, but almost every single day because I do vacuum every single day. It glides so easily across all the cushions, and because it's lightweight, I can even get into the corners and the armrest without wrestling with it. The handle is very solid, and the long cord, I believe it's 16 feet long, means I can clean the entire couch without having to unplug it and move things around, which is really nice. It's quiet enough that our dogs don't freak out. They kind of just watch me instead of running away because our dog Freedom does not like vacuums whatsoever. But this one, for some reason, she's okay with it and super comfortable around it. One of my favorite features is the smart dust sensor. It lights up to show you when there's an area that's still dirty and turns a different color once it's clean. Very satisfying to watch that happen. When I'm done, the dust cup and filters just pop out and I rinse them underwater. There's no bags, no weird smells, no maintenance headaches, and every single time I'm amazed at how much invisible stuff that it pulls up. It's funny, I used to think that my couch looked really clean, but the Jigoo J300 definitely showed me what was really sitting under the surface. And now it's not just about appearances, it's knowing the space where my dog naps, where we sit and relax. Sometimes we eat dinner on the couch, where, you know, we live here, we have a newborn, and now we know it's actually really clean and healthy. It's made such a difference for allergies as well. I don't find myself really sneezing or feeling that dusty film after cleaning anymore. It's just one of those tools that makes you wonder how you ever really lived without it. In my previous videos, you've always seen me pull out my other vacuum, and I know it's gross to use it on the couch, but this is 100% officially my go-to for the couch. So if you have pets, especially a big fluffy one like ours, do yourself a favor and try it. Trust me, you're going to feel so much better after you see everything that comes up out of it, and you'll be surprised every single time. As always, I will leave the link down below at the top of my description box. If you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram, or you can leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, Jigoo, for sponsoring today's video.
But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them the cinema, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, ya. It is hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden copper, no get to you clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving, no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? You depend on my weakness, satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every time. Shining like your ice in every time. Bum, 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 bum. Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice with time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Give you a sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.